Hey guys, it's Ryan Hill with Launch the Journey. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Clickbank, how you can set up an account and start to promote products that you don't have to create. So you'll be able to promote these products and earn a commission on every sale that you make. And if this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, we do a lot of affiliate marketing on the channel. So hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you'll be alerted anytime we come out with a new video to help you with your online business. So just go over here and create account. Okay, so on this page, which is the second page that you do on your setup process, you will have to click on terms and conditions to open that page up to allow it for you to click this box. And then you put in your tax identification number or social security number, and then you'll go on to the next step. Okay, and that is it. So after you get done with the account nickname and password, they will automatically send you an email that you will need to go into your emails and actually confirm your email address, and that will actually make your account active. Then after that, you can just put in your account nickname and your password, and it should just let you log in.